Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can hide pixels on your Yubo. To show you have enabled pixels on your Yubo, you can see if you go into the swipe option, there will appear a pixel icon right below the profile name and location. So to disable or hide pixels of Yubo on your account, you just need to go onto your profile avatar on the top right side of your screen. From here you can see a option for pixel collection. Go onto it and now go onto the pencil icon on the top right side of your screen. Now here you can see an option for hide. If you simply click on hide, you are able to hide your pixels on Yubo. And this is how you can hide pixels on Yubo. This is also this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.